All right, match begins in 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous has begun. Team Hazmat on the blue alliance side. One sample successfully scored in that high basket. Their second attempt to grab one unfortunately just misses. Hopefully they can adjust their autonomous before their next match. On the red alliance side, Siegel Robotics getting 2 samples into that high basket already, going for a third. Unfortunately just misses to the side.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And that begins the teleoperated period. Drivers are now in control of their robots for the remaining just under 2 minutes of this match. Team Hazmat successfully grabbing those samples that they just missed during autonomous period, grabbing and scoring them into the high sample. Their high basket, their teammates crash and burn, bringing some samples over to them to continue scoring into that high basket, reducing their cycle time. Siegel Robotics for the Red Alliance lining up for some samples from the submersible, doing their best to grab neutral samples. Their teammates, Etude Engineers, grabbing a specimen from their human player, headed over to the chambers. Etude successfully getting that specimen on the low chamber. Just over a minute remaining in the match. Team Hazmat going for another sample in that high basket, successfully scoring it. Siegel Robotics headed across the field, grabbing that neutral sample. Teams need to use neutral samples as they cannot be used as specimens. Another sample in the high basket for the Blue Alliance from Team Hazmat. 40 seconds remaining in the match. Etude Engineers trying to line themselves up with a specimen from their human player. Another sample in that high basket. Team Hazmat running out of space, and there's 30 seconds remains in the match. Siegel Robotics for the Red Alliance headed on over, lining themselves up with the lower rung. Etude Engineers going to try and get next to them if they can. Crash and burn, having themselves parked in the observation zone. 10 seconds remaining. Team Hazmat going to try and get another sample if they can, changing their mind, heading up for that high rung if they can, getting themselves up in the air.